Hey guys, we received this two pieces rechargeable lights for test and try. So this comes in a really nice gift box as you can see. So this is like no picture on the wall or it comes with a remote. As you can see, two holders. So it's a piece set of two. So there's two holders, two lights. They are rechargeable lights and a magnetic 360-degree rotation. And this can also be used as a wall sconce or other picture lights. And it's you can see like it's have a touch button here and with the three different temperature of the light. So really good and rectangular design. So this is a thing and this is the magnetic base with the light. So this is actually sticking very well with all the rotation. So the stickers and everything is here, manual. So these are the screws that comes with it. There's also a magnet like the metal strip. So you can just put it metal to directly put it. And also have the two charging cable. These are the USB-C cable, and these are the other attachments to put in with the Sconce. So this is the all unboxing, and these are the screws that comes with it. So you have to use the long screw and then put it in the back of this plate and also this thing. So you can just put in this metal attachment and then this router. So this ball, the metal ball. So after that, it's easy to put in. So you can see like it stick really well and very hard to take. You can do all the 360 rotation. You can also charge with the USB-C cable here. And then this is the remote. So just to remove this protective covering and you can operate it through the remote as well. So all these three different lights, dimness, brightness, you can control from the remote and also like the timer. So this is a really good thing, and you can see like even if you shake, things will not move, and you can rotate. You can also use this sticky thing in the bag, or you can also use this metal plate directly with the sticker, and then you can put it, or you can stick it to any metal surface. So very nice lights, very nice thing with the brightness you can also use on the desk and you can just operate it. So very nice bright light, rechargeable, movable, 360-degree, multiple option to fix and use. So very nice lights. Hope you like this as well and then you can use it in a different purposes.